Hello, boys and girls, and welcome to math class. You are going to have two parts to your math class today. You have become such amazing sorters. I have seen you sort by size, color, and shape. Today, we will explore a new way to sort. We will sort by length. We will say the words shorter and longer. I have some items and we are going to compare the length of objects that I have. Let's take a look at the first item. So I have a lot on this screen. So we're going to start over here with the worms. So the top worm is going to be shorter than the bottom worm. If I come to the very end, they both start at the dots, but if I come to the very end of his head and I go straight down, the bottom one is longer than the top one. Let's go down and look at the crayons. Let's look at the top one and the bottom one. Do you think the top one is longer or shorter than the bottom one? It is longer, because if I go all the way to the end of it and come straight down, the one on the bottom had already ended right back here. So you are right, that top one is longer than the bottom one. Let's go down, and I believe these are ropes. So, is the top rope longer or shorter than the bottom rope? The top one is shorter because if I go to the very end of it and come straight down, there's still rope left over, so that makes that one longer. The bottom one's longer, the top one is shorter. Let's go up to the fish. Do you think the top fish is longer or shorter than the bottom one? He is longer. If I go to the very end of his little nose there and come down, there's lots of room left. That one had already ended. Let's take a look at these two lines. Do you think the top line is longer or shorter than the bottom line? It is shorter. Good job. Let's look at the magnifying glasses. Do you think the top one is longer or shorter than the bottom one? It is longer. Good. Let's move on over to these dotted lines. Do you think the top line is longer or shorter than the bottom line? It is longer. Good. Let's look at the pencil and the pen. Do you think the pencil is longer or shorter than the pen? It is shorter. That pen is longer than that pencil. Good. These are called droppers. Do you think the top dropper is longer or shorter than the bottom dropper? It is shorter. Good. Let's look at the car and the truck. Do you think the car is longer or shorter than the truck? The car is shorter. Good. Let's look at the wheat. Do you think the single wheat strand is longer or shorter than the bundle? It is longer, just barely. It looks like it's longer, but it is longer. Let's look at the grasshopper and the caterpillar. Is the grasshopper longer or shorter than the caterpillar? He is longer. Good job. Be sure to go to your next activity so you can practice longer and shorter to show and share with your teacher.